Hi, my name is Lynn Loftmiller. I've been asked to talk just a little bit about budgeting. When I was first married, we started a budget, and it was just a very simple type of a budget. We created envelopes, and when I got paid, we would cash the check and we would put money into these separate envelopes. We would pay utility bills and other bills first, but the money that was left over, we would budget into different accounts. And the reason I liked this budget so much is that we had budgets for dating, and we had budgets just for our own personal, even if it was only $10. It was nice that I knew that I had $10 out of a paycheck that I could spend on whatever I wanted to. And that was kind of fun. We had a budget for dating, so we always knew that on a monthly or weekly basis, there was at least some money that we could use to date or to do something fun. And if we didn't have that budget, we wouldn't have had that extra money because we would have used it for all of these other things that where money just kind of disappears when you don't know where your money is. And so that was a great introduction to budgets. And as I got into the professional world, I started creating budgets within businesses. And I was over a training department, and we had to create budgets so that we could submit to have money for our year, and then we had to be able to spend within that budget. And then recently, I've acquired a few different businesses, and in doing that, budgets are critical. They help me sleep better at night. When I'm really worried about where our money's flowing, I look at our budget and I compare it to money that's going in and out, and then I look at it and I say, okay, this is how it's doing, this is where we're going. I feel better about what's going to be happening as far as the money flowing in and out. It makes a huge difference on just your well-being and knowing that you can, that the money is working according to how you hoped it would. And so in business, it's absolutely critical. If you can't use a budget to forecast how the money that is coming in is going to be spent, it's very difficult to be able to run a business.